Hey, have you noticed how much humans fuss over educating their chicks?
Oh yeah, they're always chirping about schools, books, and learning stuff. What's the big deal?
Well, apparently, it's crucial for their development. They believe education helps their chicks navigate the world better.
But isn't it just about flying, finding food, and avoiding predators? Seems pretty straightforward to me.
True, but they say their world is more complex. They have different subjects like math, science, and history. They want their chicks to understand it all.
Do they ever let their chicks just be birds?
Sometimes, but they think education helps them become better birds in the long run. Builds character or something.
Well, as long as they don't forget to teach them how to sing and soar, I guess it's not all bad.
Agreed. Education's fine, but let's not lose sight of what's truly important. Enjoying the breeze beneath our wings.